Hello friends, we are going to perform practical study of De Morgan's theorem. Aim: draw the necessary circuit diagram for verification of De Morgan's theorem. Connect the circuit and verify them with the help of truth tables. So there are two De Morgan's theorem. The De Morgan's first theorem is the complement to the sum of two events is equivalent to the product of complements of two events. That is, a plus b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar. So this is the logic diagram for a plus b bar. This is logic diagram for a bar dot b bar. In this, a and b are the two outputs are applied to the OR gate, and output of this is a plus b, which is applied to the NOT gate. The output of the NOT gate is a plus b bar. A plus b bar. Here, a and b are the two inputs are applied to the two different NOT gates, and its output is a bar and b bar, which is further applied to a AND gate, and whose output is a bar dot b bar. So these are the two truth tables for these two logic diagrams, and both are the same. The output is high on if and only if the both the inputs are 0 or low, otherwise the output is 0. So we perform the practical by using the Proteus simulation software. So we need to get the components by clicking on P. We search the components through the keyword. Firstly, we need to add the OR gate, that is 7432 IC, then NOT gate 7404, then AND gate 7408. Then we need two switches, toggle switches, then a resistor, LED. Okay, all the components are listed here. Now we place the components, place the OR gate here, then two switches for A and B. We place the resistor to the output and LED. We change the name of switch 1 to A and name of switch 2 to B. We flip these two switches. Change the value of this resistor to 220 ohms. Okay. We need the power supply, that is plus VCC and ground. This is the plus VCC and this is ground. Okay, so now we connect the circuit. The A is connected to one number of OR gate, B is connected to two number of OR gate. We need here one more NOT gate. This is 7404. Okay, the output of OR gate is connected to input of NOT gate, and output of NOT gate is connected to LED. Connect the switches to plus VCC and ground. The first circuit is completed. Now we will build the second circuit on the same file. We need to NOT gate. And then AND gate, register to the output and LED. Okay, we will connect now the A, B. The output of NOT gate is connected to input of AND gate. The output of AND gate is connected to LED. Okay, now we will run the simulation. We need to change the value of this resistor to 20. Okay, I will run the simulation. So here, when A is 0, B is 0, this is high, that is A plus B bar is also high, and A bar dot B bar is also high. If A is high and B is low, that is 1 and 0, both the outputs are 0. If A is 0 and B is 1, the output is 0, and A is 1 and B is 1, the output is 0. Both the LEDs are off. So these two logic diagrams are simulated and the truth table for these two logic diagrams are verified. Similarly, we can perform the De Morgan's second theorem. The second theorem is the complement of product of two events is equivalent to the sum of complements of two events. That is, A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So we connect these two circuits, that is A dot B bar and A bar plus B bar here in truth test, and verify these two truth tables. In truth table, the output is 0 only if both the inputs are high. Okay, so we need first AND gate, then NOT gate. We need two switches, A and B, a resistor, and LED to the output. We change the name of these two switches, A and B. Change the value of this resistor to 220 ohms. We flip these two switches, then require power supply. So this is plus VCC and this is ground. Okay, we will connect the circuit now. The A is given to pin number 1, B is connected to pin number 2, and output of this AND gate is connected to input of this NOT gate. The output of NOT gate is connected to LED. We connect the switches to plus VCC and ground. Okay, this is the circuit for this logic A dot B bar. Now we build this circuit, that is A bar plus B bar. So we require two NOT gates, and OR gate, resistor, and LED. We will connect the diagram. A is given to one of the input of NOT gate and B is connected to other input of the NOT gate. The output of the NOT gates are connected to the inputs of OR gate, and output of the OR gate is connected to LED. So this is the logic diagram for A bar plus B bar. Now we will run the diagram. We need to change this resistance value to 220. Okay. So here A is 0, B is 0. Both the outputs are 1, that is LED is on. If A is 1, B is 0, output are 1, both the LEDs are on. A is 0, B is 1, both the outputs are 1, LEDs are on. And if A is 1 and B is 1, both the outputs are 0. So the truth table for De Morgan's second theorem is verified. Therefore, A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Thank you.